Tenses made easy. Past, present and future, a complete guide for English learners. Why tenses matter. Tenses show time of action. Essential for clear communication. Example: I eat versus I ate versus I will eat. Timeline of tenses. English has three main tenses: past, present, future. Each tense has four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Present tense forms. Simple present: I eat an apple every day. Present continuous: I am eating an apple. Present perfect: I have eaten an apple. Present perfect continuous: I have been eating apples since morning. Past tense forms. Simple past: I ate an apple yesterday. Past continuous: I was eating an apple when you called. Past perfect: I had eaten before he arrived. Past perfect continuous: I had been eating apples for 2 hours before the party. Future tense forms. Simple future: I will eat an apple tomorrow. Future continuous: I will be eating at 8 p.m. Future perfect: I will have eaten by the time you arrive. Future perfect continuous: I will have been eating for an hour when you come. Quick comparison table. Present continuous: I am reading. Right pointing arrow now 1. Past perfect: I had finished my homework. Right pointing arrow before past event. 2. Future perfect: I will have completed it. Right pointing arrow before future event. 3. Common mistakes with tenses. Wrong: I am eat lunch now. Right pointing arrow correct: I am eating lunch now. Wrong: she don't likes it. Right pointing arrow correct: she doesn't like it. Wrong: he go to school yesterday. Right pointing arrow correct: he went to school yesterday. Wrong: I will went tomorrow. Right pointing arrow correct: I will go tomorrow. Wrong: they was playing outside. Right pointing arrow correct: they were playing outside. Wrong: by next week, I finish my project. Right pointing arrow correct: by next week, I will have finished my project. Practice exercise. Recap. Remember. Time plus verb form equals tense. 3 tenses times 4 forms equals 12 basic structures. Practice daily with examples. Call to action. Which tense do you find most difficult? Comment below. Subscribe. Follow for next lesson. Thank you.